Hey guys, so I just got my new electric grinder here, and I have some whole black pepper right here. And I've been wanting one of these so then I don't have to sit there and manually do it. So let's take a look at it. So this is what it comes with. It's got the device itself. So this is nice and sleek. It's already charged, but this is nice and sleek, and it totally is like a cool kind of stainless steel type looking thing that looks pretty good when it's just sitting on the counter. I mean, it looks nice. And so it's got the charging port here, and it came with the wire to charge it. And then how it works, it came with a, obviously it came with a little instruction manual, but I think I can figure it out. So on here, it has a lock and an unlock. So I'm gonna turn it to the unlock position. So now it's open. And so now what you do is you fill it up with your black pepper. So there we go. I just filled it up. I only spilled one, but that was easy. So then you put it back on here. There we go. Right. Oh, I gotta put it on the unlock area. Okay. So then you just push it back on, twist it to the lock, and there we go. So now it's all ready to go. Let me put some in my hand for you to see, but let's see. Oh, so it's totally working, yeah. And then on the bottom here, how it works is, so that was kind of coarse, but on the bottom here, you can actually change it to be more fine. So I'll twist it, or let me twist it to be more fine. There we go. So now it's on the more fine mode. So let's look at what it looks like there. Yeah, it's much more fine. So that's sweet. I like it. This is perfect. Perfect little pepper grinder right here. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.